Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can turn off comments on Facebook for your post. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're gonna be on Facebook, you're gonna see your name here, and then you're gonna see the three dots next to your name and to the post, right, that you have. Click three dots, and then you're gonna see under copy link, turn off commenting. And now I turned off the comments, so no one will be able to comment it. So this is how you do it. Three dots next to the name, turn on commenting or turn off commenting. And when you're gonna click turn off commenting, next to the like button, there is not going to be comment anymore. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.